Before you make your next motherboard purchase, there are some surprising downsides to the GIGABYTE X870E AORUS Elite that you might want to consider. Stick around to find out more. The AORUS Elite strikes a balance between high-performance engineering and modern aesthetics. Its all-black PCB with polished gray accents presents a sleek, premium design that fits well with almost any high-end build. The board layout is intuitive, offering plenty of room for components while making installation simple even for less experienced builders. The reinforced PCIe 5.0 slot, visible heatsinks, and integrated M.2 thermal guards highlight GIGABYTE's focus on durability and performance optimization. For gamers and creators, the build quality alone inspires confidence. But does it deliver beyond just good looks? The motherboard shines in performance and connectivity. Featuring a cutting-edge AMD X870E chipset, it supports the latest Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series CPUs. Its robust VRM design with a 16+2+2 power phases ensures stable performance, even when overclocking. With DDR5 memory support, users can enjoy faster speeds and greater bandwidth, making this a future-proof choice for gaming and intensive workflows. Connectivity is another area where the AORUS Elite stands out. It includes 3 PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots for lightning-fast SSDs, dual USB 4 Type-C ports, and WIFI7, ensuring you can handle everything from ultra-fast storage to the most demanding networking tasks without bottlenecks. On the software front, GIGABYTE's intuitive BIOS and control tools enhance the user experience by simplifying configuration and overclocking. The RGB lighting zones offer subtle yet customizable flair, giving users the option to personalize their build. While the motherboard comes with packed features that feel like a step forward in technology, the competition in this segment is fierce. For those willing to spend around $320, the AORUS Elite delivers a solid balance of value, performance, and reliability. If that sounds like what you're after, be sure to check the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited PCIe expansion slots. No CMOS clear button or rear I/O. Lacks advanced audio features. Pros: supports multiple PCIe 5.0 SSDs. Integrated Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 GB eLAN. Excellent power delivery for overclocking. Dual USB 4 Type-C ports. Easy installation features. If you're considering upgrading your system with the AORUS Elite, don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one.